So to make ghee, I take 3 pounds of butter in a big pan. Now this will last Mike and I about a month. You can use salted or unsalted butter, it doesn't matter. This recipe is in our gluten-free, dairy-free, dining on a dime cookbook. Then you're gonna turn your heat on medium and let it come to a simmer, and you're gonna simmer it for about 20 minutes. Then it's going to start melting, and you're going to wait until it looks clear. It's gonna start with these bubbles like this. And make sure you use a big enough pan, because if you don't use a big enough pan, it'll boil over. I use a big Dutch oven like this. You can see how it looks creamy. You don't want it on too high of heat, because then the proteins start to burn on the bottom of the pan, and then it will have a nutty flavor instead of a butter flavor, which is fine. The nutty flavor is good, especially for baked goods, but just for ghee, you want to be careful that they don't burn. Okay, you can see how it's starting to separate. See that? I'll let it go just a little bit longer. Okay, now you can see how the oil has separated. How it's separated there. You can see the white stuff on the bottom is the proteins. So now we're going to put it in our containers. Okay, so we're going to skim this foam off the top. Okay, just like that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pour it into my cute little Thanksgiving container I found at the thrift store. So we're gonna use that until Thanksgiving comes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour this in, fill this up, and this is gonna sit on our counter for Mike and I to use. And then the rest is going in here. And can you see the bottom? See, that's all the milk proteins that have separated on the bottom there. And you can see how they've already started kind of to burn because I was filming something else. So just pour that in. Usually I'm much more careful. Oh shoot, need one more. And I like this old 1930s cup that I have, so I'm just gonna pour it in that. Got that at the thrift store for 25 cents, but I just thought it was so cute. All right, and then you want to be careful. Oh my goodness, do I still not have enough room? Then you want to be careful and leave the solids on the bottom here. Let's finish filling this up right here. Okay, so when you turn it, let it settle. It'll just take like 2 seconds. And then pour the rest. Oh shoot, they're all totally full and I've got like 1 tablespoon left. Ah! Look at that. I've got like 1/4 cup. Oh my goodness, that drives me nuts when I do that. So I'm letting the solids fall to the bottom. And then I'm just pouring the fat only, just like so. And there's all the milk solids, so I don't have a reaction to the milk.